Hello everyone. Today we will only trade using the fair value gap strategy. So to draw a fair value gap, you need to go to drawings and then rectangle. Let's go with the rectangle. Here's rectangle. So let's draw the fair value gap here, which is from here to here. Okay. So let's see the trend, and the trend is upward. So okay, so we'll wait for a confirmation trade, and then we'll take the trade. As you can see, this candle is trying to sweep the liquidity. So if it we will wait for a confirmation candle which needs to be a green candle here. So if it is a green candle, then we'll go for up, and we'll go for okay. So so now it's up. We'll go for a 5 minutes trade. Let's see what happens. So let me share with you my thinking of why I took this trade. First of all, this is a fair value gap which starts from here and to here. So then as you can see, this red candle went to the fair value gap area and then sweep the liquidity from here. Okay, so normally what happens is that in most of the videos that you see on YouTube, they say that the fair value when the red candle or the candle that sweeps the liquidity goes inside the fair value gap area, you take a trade, which is not actually a good one, because I have tried many times trading with fair value gap, and most of the times it actually made a loss. So the reason is that you need this is not the candle where you should trade. You should wait for a green candle. If the market gives you a green candle here, right here, it means that market wants to go up, because the liquidity that was here, it is already swept, right? So now the market will go up. So that's why I took a 5-minute trade for up. So I am not sure. I am a beginner. I am a new trader like you. So I am trying my best to do trades, practice, and learn more and more. So yeah, and let's see what happens. We still have 3 minutes left here. So let's see what happens. In the meantime, let's go to another candle. So the reason why I make this video, because once I am done with trading for a day, I watch this video again and try to learn from it. And I hope that these videos will help you to learn from my mistakes as well. So here is a fair value gap, which is right here, and one is right here. So if you like, as people says that even when the fair value gaps come to the area, then you take up. As you can see, this is the candle where it entered the fair value gap right here. So normally you should have taken up, but as you can see, it is going down. So that's a risky option. So now as it is green, we are gonna take an up call. So now it's 27, so it would end in 32, so we're gonna take an up call. So again, let me revise that strategy to you again. I hope it helps. So what we need to do when the market enters this fair value gap area right here, so what you need to do, you need to wait for a confirmation candle that will give you data about if the market wants to go up or down. As you can see, the market gave you a green candle, which means that the market wants to go up. It has already swept all the liquidity from here, from this area. So now the market wants to go up. So that's why I took a 5 minutes up. So let's see, today we will only use fair value gap, and we're gonna take 5 minutes trade. And we started from 10 USD. Let's see, we have 1 hour. We will trade for 1 hour and see if we can take it to 15. So let's see what is happening with the other one. It has 31 seconds still, so let's see what happens. If there is any new trader like me, I would request you to watch my videos so that you don't lose your money. Learn from my mistakes, watch the videos, and every time I do a trade, I will try my best to share with you the idea or why I am taking this trade. So I hope that my videos will help you to save your time and learn from my mistakes and be a better trader. So this one we have won, as you can see, we have won right here. And let's delete this, and let's see what is happening on this one. We still have 2 minutes 31 seconds left. So yeah, let's see if we can. So this is a fair value gap that has been used already, so we are not going to use it again. So let's see if we can find a new fair value gap on any other area. We don't need these lines anymore. I guess we have drawn this line before, so let's see. So here is a fair value gap, so rectangle. The fair value gap starts from here and then it starts from here. So so we are late on in the game. We could have taken a trade from here. So what I'm going to do is that is 30, 31, 34. So if the market comes to this line, I'm gonna take an up because the trend is up. So let's see. I am not sure if the market is going to give us that chance again. So let's see. We will only take the trade if the market comes to this line. Why? Because okay, can we get another chance? No, I don't think so. Let's see what is happening with the other pair. Okay, right. So what happens, there is something that I need to share with you guys. That what happens is, then let's say as you saw that we were late in taking this trade. So what happens is that people get panicked and they take trade in a in a hurry, because they don't want to lose the winning chance, and then they make mistakes. So if there, when you see, oh, by the way, we have won this one as well. I think I'm gonna win it. So Yeah, we have won. So what happens is, as I was saying, that they take a trade in a hurry and they make a loss. So if you are late in taking a trade and if you miss a chance, don't worry about it. You will get hundreds and thousands of chances every day. So let's say if we are dealing with just one pair, right? So if you are trading for let's say 1 hour, then for a single pair you will get around 60 chances, right? So if you miss just one chance, don't worry about it, don't worry at all. There are 59 more chances, so you will find another chance in another pair or within this currency. So don't worry about it. If you miss a chance, let it go. Don't fall into trap of fear of missing out. Just wait for it, you will get another chance. So we have missed a chance in USDBDT, so we are not gonna worry. Let's see if there is any other fair value gap that we can find. In USD ARS, there is no fair value gap. We have already used this one, so we're gonna delete this and see if we can get a fair value gap. I think we're gonna get a fair value gap right here, so we're gonna come back to it later. In the meantime, let's see odd JPY. Odd JPY has a fair value gap right here, right here. So let's see if we can. But by the way, we can. I don't think we will have the chance to use it because it has already. The market has already filled up this fair value gap, so I don't think we're gonna get the chance. So green, red, okay, green, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is interesting. As you can see, if let's say if we would have taken a fair value, it would have had if we have taken a trade in this area. This is a fair value gap, so it is a green candle, so obviously we could have taken a trade right here, right? So let's see. So so 1, 2, 3, 4. So we could have made a loss right here. So sometimes strategies doesn't work in the market. You have to deal with it. Yeah, like losing is part of the game. You cannot win all the trades all the time, but you need to concentrate on winning most trades most of the time. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So let's see if there is any other currency. Oh, this is the one. JPY. There is no fair value gap right here. No. GBP and ZT. I think there is a fair value gap right here. So let's rectangle. We can use this fair value gap as well, but if it is too small, I don't use it. So let's get rid of this one. Let's see the trend. So the trend is up, so we will wait until the market comes to this fair value gap, and then we're gonna take a trade. There is no fair value, is there? No, I don't generally use a fair value gap area where it is a bit like way behind. So let's skip this one. There is no let's see this. Okay, so there is a fair value gap right here. So rectangle, here is the fair value gap. Okay, so we'll wait for the market to come here, and then after doing a liquidity shift or entering this area, if the market gives us a confirmation, then we'll go for up. Let's see if there is any other currency where you can find GBP. This is a new thing. Like, this is a new thing that Quotex added. Like, the currencies that are here, they will mark it as added, which is a new thing. Okay. So here is a fair value gap again. Rectangle. Okay, AUD CAD has entered the area. So let's see if it can. Okay, before that, let's quickly add this rectangle in this fair value gap area. We'll come back to it later. Let's see if we can. So I'm not gonna take this trade. Okay, so let's see if the market gives us a confirmation candle right here. So in this section, the market needs to give us a green candle. Here market needs to give us a green candle. If it does, then we'll go for up. As there is a big gap between the closing of this candle and the fair value gap, it is a bit risky, so I'm not gonna take this trade right now. Okay. Let's see. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, here is a fair value gap. If you have any question, don't forget to comment below. I'll try my best to answer it. I don't know all the answers to all the questions, but I'll try my best to answer you or help you with the with the with with trading and all. And if you wanna use this software, there will be a link on my description section where you can go and create an account right here. This is called Quotex, by the way. If you are into binary trading and if you want to start practicing, this is a good software to start with. So okay, so let's see if we can use this one. We'll go for 5 minutes. Up. Here is an interesting thing. Let's see what happens. I am not sure. I am like 60-40% sure that we am gonna win. The confusion arises where? The confusion arises here in this section. As you can see, this wick right here, it goes within the area of the third candle, right? This section right here. So I'm not sure if it is important or not. Normally I don't see this sort of stuff. So let's see what happens. This would be a learning chapter for you and me as well, and for those who are watching. Thank you very much. I appreciate your time. If you have any question, do comment, And if there is anything that you want to share with me, or if there is something that I am not seeing but you know about it, do share your knowledge with me. I would very much appreciate it. So we have one, two, three. We have one, three, uh, three trades. Oh, sorry, we have one only two, and there is another one that is going on right here. So let's see. So I'm gonna put a bell right here. So if the market comes near this area, we're gonna get an alarm, and I'm gonna come back to it. Here is USDTRY. Okay, we need to wait for a bit. Okay, so okay, let's see. This is how I do trading in fair value using the fair value gap. So I draw the fair value gap and create an alarm. This option is only available for laptop users. You will not find it in mobile, and I don't ask anyone, or I don't suggest anyone to trade in mobiles, because it creates confusion and there is not many options available for you. You will find more options in laptop. So if possible, trade in laptop. You can practice in mobile, but it is better to trade in laptop. So let's see what is happening right here. Okay, so we still have 2 minutes 23 seconds, which means that we have to wait for another 2 candles to give us the result. Let's see if we can find anything. There is a fair value gap right here. Okay. Should I take a chance? Let's see the area of it. Okay, sorry. It is a bit risky because a lot of things can happen. I prefer taking trades based on fair value gaps on the if the fair value gap area is a bit larger or a bit bigger than this one. So now the question is, should I take a trade or should I not? And my answer would be, I will not take the trade, because here is a fair value gap, and I am thinking of taking the trade. But the problem is that if I take the trade, I will be investing 1 USD, right? If I win, I will win around $1.88, right? But if I lose, then I will lose the whole $1, and there I will find a lot of fair value gaps. So it is not essential, as I was saying, like it is, don't fall into the trap of fear of missing out. If I don't take any trade in this fair value gap, it is, my trading career is not gonna end. And so let's leave it, because if you are not sure, don't take the trade. If you want, you can just, if you can just see what would have happened if you took a trade, but don't, if you're not sure, don't take a trade. Okay, so GBP DMI, so we have won this one as well. So yeah, so as you can see, this strategy is very good. If you want, you can use it to win in binary trading. Here is another one, but I don't know, I'm not sure. Let's see what happens here. Okay, let's see if we can find any other good ones. I don't think the market is gonna come to this area anytime soon. I don't know. So same goes for here. mm, let's see some other pairs. How about USD PHP? Okay, so here is a fair value gap. Let's go for rectangle. Draw it right here, right here. I think I'm gonna go with this one because this one has a wider area. This one, although this one would give me a trade opportunity earlier than this one, but I think this one would be safer. So it is better to go with the safer option than the earlier option. Okay, okay, let's see. This one seems to be a good one. By the way, if you wanna trade with fair value gaps, there are some things that you need to learn about. First of all, the most important thing is liquidity swift, right? Sorry, my bad. One is liquidity. Sorry about the handwriting. So you need to know what liquidity swift is and how liquidity swift works. It is very important. So know more about how liquidity swift works. And you also need to learn about trend. You need to learn about trend, right? So like for example, if you are not sure what the trend of the market is, if it is up or down, all you can do is that you can take this trend angle and put it right here from the lowest low to here. So if the market doesn't cross this line, it means the market is still on uptrend, right? If there is a candle which breaks this area or breaks this area, then then there's a chance that market is now in a sideways or in a zigzag market, right? So then it will be a bit risky to trade on a fair value gap. So learn about how trend works, and if the market is in an uptrend or if it is in a downtrend, then it is better. And if the market trend is up, always try to take uptrends. Always remember that the make trend your friend, right? So if the market is up, if if the market comes to this fair value gap, then always take an uptrend. And if the market is down, so always take a downtrend, right? So that's the thing, don't go against the trend. Most of the time you lose. And if the market is in a zigzag position or in a if it is a sideways market, then it is better not to take any trade using fair value gaps. I hope uh, I hope it was I hope I helped you I helped you to understand my theory. So let's see, here's the PHP. There is another fair value gap. So when you see a lot of fair value gaps, what you can do is that you can draw all of them. I'm not gonna use this one. Why? Because this is a small one, it would be risky, so let's not use this one. I can use this one, but still it's a bit risky, so let's stick with only this one. Okay, so as you can see, the last trade I took, it is almost, I guess, 5 to 10 minutes before. So when this sort of stuff happens, we get very anxious, right? We want to take trades in every minute, in every candle. We get anxious, we start to take risky trades and we lose money. So some days, there will be some days where you can't even take a single trade, and that's okay, because not every day is for you. Like if you see the market is against you, what I do is that when you sit, at least take 10 minutes of your time to check the market. If you see that the strategy that you trade on, or the strategy that you use to trade, it is not working in the market, or the market is too volatile, then don't trade that day. Just stay on the market. Maybe use a demo account like me and see, take some 2 or 3 demo trades and see if it is working or not. If it is not, then then I would suggest you to leave that market for that day and come back on the next day. It would help you to save your money, and it will also help you to have patience, grow patience, and be a better trader. So as you can see, I think the market is gonna come to this point. For this one, I'm not sure. Let's switch this. Let's take the fair value gap rectangle and put it right here and see if the market comes to sweep the liquidity from this one or not. Here is another one, so we are gonna draw another one right here, and I like this one better than this one. Why? Because the area is a bit larger. So the large fair value gap areas help. So let's see if you can take a trade right here. Okay. So when you are drawing a fair value gap, make sure you are precisely drawing one. For example, the first line needs to touch the bottom of the third candle, and the last line needs to touch the wick of the last candle. Okay, that is very important. If this third candle has a wick, take the wick as well. So okay, so let's see if this candle gives us if this candle is green, and green before the 30-second mark, we are gonna take a 5-minute up call. Let's see. We are not gonna take a trade here because this line has crossed the whole fair value gap section, which means that it has a target. There is something called target of the market, and I think the market will switch its trend and move to a downtrend, which is a bit risky. So let's not take a trade right here. So as you can see, we have taken 3 trades already, and all of them are win. So we have a 100% winning ratio. So it's better to have a good feeling and have a 100% winning ratio and a winning streak, rather than taking too much risk and getting disheartened with losing trades. So we are not gonna do that. That's what I do actually. Like if you are not confident enough, then just don't take the trade. Okay, it would help you to save money, it will help you to be a better trader. There is a fair value gap right here, but we're not gonna take this one because it is smaller. We're gonna put an alarm right here. USD PHP. Okay, it is USD PHP. Let's see if the market gives us a chance tonight or not. Again, thank you very much for anyone who is watching this video till now. I really appreciate it. If you have any question or concern, do ask in the comment section and I'll try my best to answer. USD Okay, so let's see. It is currently, this market is on a downtrend, and now it's a bit risky, and it has already crossed the fair value gap section. So I don't think I'm gonna take a trade right here. So GB. So okay, this is a good opportunity. Let's see if the market gives us a confirmation candle. Let's see if the market tells us. Let the market tell you if or the in the technical term it gives you confirmation, and in a general term it the market should tell you if it wants to go up or down. So let's see if we can get a green candle after this one. We are gonna go for a 5-minute up call. 16, 5. Okay, so now it is 58. Okay, so 58, the 16.4. So I think so. Okay, so if within 30 seconds the market stays green, then we're gonna take an up call, or maybe on the next candle we're gonna take an up call. The market needs to come to this point. If it does, then we're gonna take an up call. Sometime you'll get a chance, sometime you'll not. Don't worry too much about it. So it is better to 8, 6, up. So let's see. We're gonna wait for 5 minutes and see where the market goes. The market has already given us a green sign that it wants to go up, although this is not a full confirmation, because the volume of this candle, the body of this candle needs to be a bit bigger for you to have 100% sure shot. But it has made a small body. I forgot that there's a name for this sort of candle. I forgot it. So if you know what this type of candle is called, do let me know. So let's wait. We have 4 more candles, so let's see what happens. This candle will go down because there is no rejection here, and the candle has also made a gap up opening, so the market will cover this small area in this candle or the candle after it. So let's see. Just as I thought. Let's see what happens. We're gonna put an alarm mark here. If the market breaks the fair value gap area, doesn't matter if it creates a green bar after it, it will you can't count it one as a confirmation. Okay, let's see if we have a fair value. We have a very large fair value gap right here. I don't think we are going to win this one. I have very much doubt. Let's see. Let's wait and see. Okay, so as you can see, the market is going up. So here is something that there is something that I would like to share with you, is that as you can see, this candle broke the fair value gap area, then it went up. So for that reason you might say, okay, now I can take this sort of trade as well. So don't do it, stick with just single strategy. Our strategy was the candle should not break the fair value gap area, and it gives us a confirmation, then we take a trade. So stick with your trade. For example, if this thing happens again, you you get interested or you get excited and take another trend, might be you might occur a loss. So as you can see, this one is a loss. So from this trade I told you that I am not sure. So this sort of candle cannot be a confirmation. That's something that I have learned today. I hope you have made a note as well. So GBP NZD, GBP NZD, GBP NZD. So here is the gap area. Okay, the market is going down. There's a gap right here, and market will try to fill up this gap area as well. This one, right? I'm not sure if it is on the next candle or on the next candle, but there's a gap. So market will try to fill up this gap as well. Market always fills up the gap that it creates. So let's see. Let's put another one right here. PHP, there's no fair value gap here. There's one right here. Rectangle. Starts from here and it ends in here. Okay. So most of the trades that we have taken today are on the upper side as an uptrend. So as you can see, the market has broke this area, so probably the market is on a downtrend right now. Let's go to Heiken-Ashi and see. Okay, Heiken-Ashi says it's on an uptrend. You can use the area one as well and see what is happening if you're not sure if the market is an uptrend or downtrend. So yeah, as you can see, it is a red candle. We should have taken a down call, but this time it is 16.6, 16 again. We're going to take an up call, because if you see the previous one that we have taken, this cannot be a confirmation. This shows that the market will continue the previous candle, and the previous candle is green. So that's why I took trade for up. So let's see what happens. It would be a learning trade for you and me. So GBP NZD. Okay. Oh, so we missed this one. Oh no, because the market has broke the fair value gap line, we are not gonna take it. Although there is a new fair value gap right here, and this one, I like these sort of fair value gaps. If you're not sure, you can use this tool called Epic Pen and see if the market is in a downtrend or an uptrend. I think it's gonna go down. Let's see. So let's see if the market gives us a confirmation or not. I'm gonna go with down if I do. Okay, so down. I don't know. I am not sure about this one. So yeah, let's see what is happening in this trade. So if you rewind my video a bit, I took this. If the confirmation candle is like this, like a plus sign, then need to we need to take an opposite trade. For example, this is a down trade. We should have taken a down trade, but this as we saw this sign, we took an up trade. So let's see what happens. Let's see. It is, as I told you, that this is a learning period for me as well, a learning sign for me as well. So if possible, the tips that I want to give you is that when I see someone's video or if I see someone trade, what I do is that I take a notepad and I note down all the things that is happening in the video and take as much suggestion as possible. So have a notepad, and if you are still watching this video, I hope that you got at least one or two good tips from this video. You have learned from my mistakes and learned from the trades I take, so please note it down and try practice, and I hope that you become a good trader. And another thing is, in trading, learning is not equal to success. You need to practice and practice more. Like if you see all my videos, or like if you see hundreds and thousands of videos, it will not make you a better trader. You need to practice. More you practice, the better you will be in the market, the better you will be able to predict the market. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna through this week I'm gonna use this fair value gap strategy. I'm gonna note down, once I upload this video, I'm gonna watch this video again. I'm gonna note down the things that I did right and the things that I did wrong, and will follow this whole week, and hopefully tomorrow or the next day I'm gonna use this same strategy in live market. So currently I am just using the liquidity swift concept and the fair value gap concept, and next I'm gonna add some price action formula or price action strategies uh, to this to this strategy as well, which will give me a better result, I think. So let's see. And we have owned this trade as well. Okay, so that's nice. So if you're still watching my video, thank you so much. I hope you have learned something from this video. I'm gonna continue this session for another 10 minutes or so. There's a fair value gap right here. Most essential thing that I would like you to note down is that always use fair value gaps that are large. Okay, so let's see. If the market comes here, I'm gonna take an uptrend. 11, 17. I don't think I'm gonna get that chance. I should have, when this confirmation area, when this market gave this pair gave this confirmation candle, I should have taken a trade right here. let's see let's see if I could if I would take that trade, if it would ended in a win or loss. Let's see. So we have USD TRI, GBP JPY, GBP. Okay, so we have lost this one because of this candle, I think. So if it, let's not use this fair value gap anymore. Okay, in this fair value gap, this candle need this if this candle was a red candle, then I would have taken a downtrend for 5 minutes. As it is as it is giving a green candle, I am gonna avoid this one. Okay, a fair value gap right here. So if there's a green candle, if there's a green candle after this red candle, I'm gonna take an up call. Although the problem is that I'm not sure if it is an uptrend or a downtrend. When I take trade, it needs to be a clear uptrend or a clear downtrend. Like it seems like it's in a parallel market or zigzag market, and this sort of market is a very risky when you are using a fair value gap strategy. So seems like it is giving a green candle. So let's see. Let's take a trade. See what happens. Will the market give us a chance? Okay, USD PHP seems like okay. So so in USD PHP, if we have taken a trade here for an up call, we still would be winning. 1 2 3 4, still would be winning. Let's see the last one. Yeah, okay. Here is a fair value gap from here till here. So let's see. Oh, it broke the gap. It created another one, which is from here. And the market is in an uptrend. So if there's a red candle that comes to this area and creates a green candle later, then we're gonna take an up. Okay. Okay, there's a beautiful fair value gap right here. Here. Okay. And there's a new one right here. I like this sort of fair value gaps. Like, look at the size of it. It helps you to make a better decision. By the way, I'm in a 1 minute chart and taking 5 minute trades. If you are new in the market, if you are a new trader, I would suggest you to avoid 1 minute trading and go with 5 minute trading, because it helps to increase your chances of winning. That's better. Here is one right there. We use. I think we can. Is it an uptrend? Yeah, it's an uptrend. Okay. So is the pitch idea. What is happening in idea? Okay. So this is a green candle taken up. This is a good sign, because the red candle has gone so much deeper. If it ends right here or here, we'll have a better chance of winning. This is the type that I like very much. So after 30 seconds, so it is 18, 4, not 20, not 23, yeah, 24. Let's go with 24 and see if this green candle, if this candle ends up in a green, we're gonna take an up call for 5 minutes. Okay. So the reason I took an uptrend, because this this is a confirmation candle, and from here the market should go up. So let's see. I'm pretty sure this candle is going to end up over this one, and if this candle doesn't break this fair value gap area, I think I'm gonna win. Okay. So this is the list that market gives me. Okay. I think I'm not gonna win this trade. Let's see. Okay. Okay. So the market has broken this area and this area. Is the idea. Mm, so the market is in a downtrend. So if the market comes to this area and creates a red candle, then we're gonna go for down. Let's see. Let's extend the time period of this video to 10 minutes. It will be a bit lengthier. Uh, mhm. Okay, let's draw another FOV here. And if you're still watching this video, thank you so much. I very much appreciate it. And then, okay, so I don't think. Okay, so it's a green candle. And take it down from here. I think this candle should end as a green candle, because there is no wick here. So when there's no wick, normally the candle ends up or continues as the previous candle. Okay. The candle will come down. Why? Because there is a gap, and the market always fulfills the gap. We're gonna put an alarm right here. Let's see what is happening. So the market seems to have changed the trend. So this would be our last two trades. Let's see, I think I'm gonna lose this one and I'm gonna lose this one as well. By the way, this is a sideways market. I should have noticed this one. So the market, this candle will come down because it has created a gap. This candle should come down anytime, as you can see. When there's a gap, the market always fulfills the gap, but there is no assurance that it will remain so. For example, to fill up this gap, the market came down, but it is not sure, or there is no assurance this candle will close in red. It might close in green as well. So those who are using 1 minute trading strategy, this is a good one for you to note. Okay, so let's see. I don't think I'm gonna win. So if I win, I have to analyze what happened here. If the market breaks this line, then I'm gonna win for sure. If it doesn't, I don't think I'm gonna win. Let's customize this one. So yeah, that's all. So let's see how many. So we have taken 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 trades, and we won 1 2 3 4. So we took 7 trades and we won 4 of them, and we are in a $0.39 profit, which is still nice. So yeah, that's concludes our trading session for today, and we'll continue tomorrow, and that's about it. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, if you have any suggestion from me, do let me know in the comments. I very much appreciate it. And if you have learned anything from this video, I would take it as a compliment, or as a repayment for the work I have done. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care.